Welcome to our channel. Today we how to customize Facebook newsfeed, content control step by step clearly. To customize your Facebook newsfeed, start by opening the Facebook app or visiting the website. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner for mobile users, or click on your scroll down and find the settings and privacy option. Tap or click on it to expand the menu. Next, select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, look for Newsfeed Preferences. Click on Newsfeed Preferences to access content control options. Here, you will see several sections like Prioritize who to see first. Select the option to choose which friends or pages you want to prioritize in your feed. Simply click on the circles next to the names to confirm your selections. After prioritizing, return to the Newsfeed Preferences menu. Now, you may want to unfollow people or pages that clutter your feed. Select Unfollow people and groups to hide their posts. Browse through the list and tap the Unfollow button next to any sources you want to mute. Once you've made your choices, navigate back to the Newsfeed Preferences. You can also click on Reconnect with people you've unfollowed. This option allows you to see who you've previously muted and gives you the choice to. Another way to control your feed is by adjusting your interests. Select Manage Your Interests from the Newsfeed Preferences. Browse through the categories and select the ones that resonate. You'll receive more content based on these interests. Remember to review your settings every so often. Facebook's algorithm may change over time, so regular adjustments can keep your feed relevant. Now you can enjoy a customized newsfeed tailored to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.